okujaguza ekiro ky'abakozi kwebembirwa ba factory y'ebitookye ya Nyaruzinga kandi Professor Florence Mulanga ashabira abakozi omunsi yonna ngu orabe yabonera akarima kakwate kurungi.
Wano olwaleero tetukola tuluwaayo buli mukozi yenna n'abanga asobola kubeera mu celebration ye ate nga bo abakozi kibawa kumanya nti okutegeera nti ensi efaayo ku mirimu gyabwe. Ffe nga abakulembeze tubooleka emirimu bye tufunye mu mirimu gyabwe ate ne tubasuubiza okulaba ntwongera ku bulungi bw'embeera gye babeeramu.
To safeguard Uganda's progress and emphasizing the workers and the well-being of the workers.
Habireho n'okushaba abakozi okumanya amakuru g'okushaguza ekiro eki.
Our method of employment, we wanted to make sure that the economy around the factory is vibrant. So we came to your communities and made sure that 80% of the people we are giving jobs here come from the local communities.
Ningenda kusima staff ya BBD staff. Twizira ito tukizo mu December I myself ninye nabanze ku reporting aha tina unabe ni manyaho wade n'umukozi mutayo wanje wade na staff kungani nsima staff ya badiki mebali kutwatira munonga.
Ebyo bikiryaho omuhezo wa RDC wa Bushenyi William Katsigazi Donanto ashabira abashomesa mu Bushenyi okuma omutindo gw'ebyobwegyese ogwo Bushenyi roho bwa hati ebyabigambira ha mukoro gwo kusibira obiraro mukuru w'ebyobwegyese mu Bushenyi Shaka Municipality Dan Mugenyi ohumwire emirimo y'obuheereza bwa nyuma y'emyaka 32.
Dan is going to live another life now, not as a civil servant, but we also need to learn something. And for me, the fear the man talked about is always attached to that. Now, for example, if I retire, what am I going to do? Isn't it? What am I going to do? Where will I be? Whom would I be interacting with?
So, mkwase batie romu. Mwa ni okuteka izina ya ushirisha hapa. The teachers, imaba yahi the teachers, the teachers and the entire education department.
When I'm in Kampala there, you make me proud because this performance is being number one in the country since 2018. This Bushenyi municipality has been leading in performance, and this has been attributed to good leadership. You have got him, Mr. Meta, Mr. Fixer, he has come organized these central examinations. This is really excellent performance exhibited.
Dan Mugenyi ohumwire agizere ngo ekya Bushenyi kugumana esinga ihanga ryona nekiretwa abashomesa hamwe n'aba headmaster okukora n'amaani.
Producing what they call the most important results. It depends on those we are doing. But I want to believe the results Bushenyi Shaka Municipal Council produces are very good results. And I want to believe that these head teachers before me, I don't need to say I thank them because they are doing their job and they were doing their job.
Amakuru gashakwa Abraham Muganzi.